Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, how to provision an EC2 instance and S3 bucket using Terraform in a single module. Before we jump into the how-to, let's briefly talk about what exactly Terraform is. Terraform is an open-source infrastructure as code software tool that allows you to easily manage and provision your IT infrastructure automatically, using simple configuration files. Now, let's get straight to it. We are going to break this down into simple, easy-to-follow steps, so even if you're a beginner, you can understand and use Terraform effectively. The first step is always installation. Make sure you have Terraform installed on your system. If you don't, head over to the official Terraform website and follow their guide to install it. Next, you're going to need to set up your AWS account. You will need your access key and your secret access key. Make sure to keep these details safe and confidential. Now, let's create a file named main.tf. This is where our Terraform code for creating the EC2 instance and the S3 bucket will reside. Define the AWS provider. This tells Terraform that we are going to be using AWS services. Specify the region and your access keys. Next up, we'll describe the EC2 instance in the Terraform syntax. We define an AWS_instance resource type and give our instance a name. We then use this name to set various instance properties like the AMI, instance type, and key name. Following the EC2 instance, we create an S3 bucket. Again, we define an AWS_S3_bucket resource type and give our bucket a name. You can also set other properties like ACL, policy, etc. After we have our main.tf file set up, we can initialize our Terraform working directory using the Terraform init command in the terminal or command prompt. This command will download and initialize the AWS provider. Next, let's preview what Terraform plans to do. Use the Terraform plan command to do this. This command will not make any changes, but simply show you what changes Terraform will make when you apply this configuration. Finally, if everything looks good in the plan, apply it using the Terraform apply command. After running this command, Terraform will provision an EC2 instance and an S3 bucket on AWS as specified in the main.tf file. And that's it. You've now successfully provisioned an EC2 instance and an S3 bucket using Terraform in a single module. Remember, this is just the beginning. You can add more resources, variables, and even separate your resources into different modules for better organization and reusability. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.